Imagine you are leaving a friendly Irish pub or saying goodbye to a new acquaintance you have just made. You want to use a classic Irish farewell to show your appreciation and cultural understanding. But how do people actually react to it? Locals in Ireland typically respond to the phrase Slán Go Fóill with a reciprocal Slán Go Fóill, or sometimes a simpler, but equally friendly, Slán. This direct mirroring is a common and polite way to acknowledge your farewell. The phrase Slán Go Fóill literally translates to goodbye for now or safe for a while. It carries an inherent sense of temporary parting, suggesting that you expect to see the person again soon. This makes it a warm, common, and appropriate way to part ways in many casual or semi-casual social settings, emphasizing a hopeful future meeting rather than a definitive separation. It is less formal than a final goodbye, making it perfect for everyday interactions. If someone says Slán Go Fóill to you, you can confidently reply with the same phrase, or just Slán if you prefer a slightly shorter version. This farewell is perfect for leaving a shop, a cafe, or after a pleasant chat with someone you anticipate encountering again. It signifies a friendly, temporary departure, whether you are leaving a pub, departing from a tour guide, or saying goodbye to new friends you have made during your travels. What makes Slán Go Fóill particularly special is its inherent optimism and warmth, reflecting a deep-seated cultural appreciation for connection. It is distinct from the more definitive Slán Lí, which means goodbye with you and implies a more permanent parting when addressing one person, or Slán Lib when addressing multiple people. Understanding this subtle difference in farewells shows a genuine appreciation for the Irish language and its nuanced cultural context. Using and understanding Slán Go Fóill allows you to engage more authentically with Irish people. It reflects a respectful awareness of their language and a friendly, hopeful outlook on future interactions, ultimately enriching your overall experience and fostering genuine connections during your time in Ireland.